What if the most powerful thing science gives us? It isn't answers, it's not facts, it's not equations, it's not technology, but a way of thinking. Welcome to Thinking Beyond Reality, a podcast about how we understand the universe, not just how we think we know. In the first episode, we're exploring a simple but profound question: why do scientific thoughts matter? Science isn't exactly what you think it is. When most people hear the word science, they think of textbooks, formulas, lab coats, facts you either remember or forget. But science isn't really a collection of facts because facts change, theories evolve, models get replaced. What doesn't change is the way science teaches us to think. At its core, science is a discipline of curiosity, belief versus understanding. Belief is comfortable, understanding is unstable. Belief wants certainty. Scientific thinking accepts uncertainty. In science, being wrong isn't a failure, it's progress. Every scientific idea is provisional, temporary, open to revision. That's not weakness, that's strength. Reality is not as obvious as we think. We tend to assume reality is obvious because it feels familiar. Solid objects feel solid. Time feels like it flows. Space feels empty. But scientific thinking shows us something unsettling. Reality doesn't behave the way it appears. Without scientific thought, we mistake appearance for truth. Thinking shapes what we see, literally. We don't experience reality directly, we experience models of reality. Our senses filter, our brains predict, our thoughts organize chaos into meaning. Scientific thinking gives us better models. Not perfect ones, just better approximations. So then, what's the cause of not thinking scientifically? When scientific thinking fades, something else fills the gap. Certainty without evidence, confidence without understanding, stories that feel true but aren't tested. In a world full of information, how we think matters more than what we know. This is an invitation to move forward. This podcast is here to give answers. It's here to sharpen questions. Because when you change how you think, you change what reality looks like. I'm glad you're here. Welcome to Thinking Beyond Reality.